What is up, party people? This video is a little bit different. I'm gonna be showing you guys my house, and we're starting in the garage. Now we have our garage is bigger than our alleyway driveway. I'll kind of show you in a second, but we share a driveway with 3 other houses. So this is our garage here. It's got some cupboardry. I'll show you. And then pretty tight. Got a lot of lawn stuff we gotta take care of. Go out the garage door. I just planted that. It's gonna be a big bush. I'll put a picture of what it's gonna be right on the screen. And this is our driveway, and this is our little way. We gotta back out all the way over there and go down to get out. A little inconvenient. We just dug up a hydrangea bush that was between our fence. And then I planted this dwarf Korean lilac tree. And we got some peonies over here. We're gonna redo this area eventually. We got a little playhouse up there. And a fire pit. Now we really don't know how we could get a trailer to take all this brush and stuff up, so we've been taking it in our trunks. It's going out of season now, but you can kind of see a little blueberry there. We just repotted this in a bigger pot because it gets big and it was getting too big for that other little one there. So, come on in the side door. This is my grooming entrance for my business. You go right down the stairs. So we're in my business. This is where the magic happens. I'm gonna get further away from that so you don't see my name or my business name, because I don't want you to figure out where I live. But yeah, I've got a high velocity blow dryer down there, a smaller one, grooming table, tools. Gotta get rid of that. That's the base for the tub. We had to build a new one because the drain is off the ground here. Bathroom. This is my office. We haven't done much with it yet. It's just kind of everything's on the ground, and there's a little window with some collectibles, antiques that I inherited. And we'll go here. So we had to build a platform here because the electric thing stopped working after 2 days, and so it just wasn't high enough for the drain. At the other location, the drain was in the floor. And then the laundry, we got laundry going, shampoos, some cleaners, all my business cards and stuff. It's a really good place in Woodbury, Minnesota, if you want to get good freeze-dried chicken hearts and stuff for your dog. Yeah.
Is this my house? Answer, please.
Then once we go up the stairs, we're in the kitchen, and we got this really cool glass door.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
It's got little bread engraving. I'll take you in there because I know you want to see. We are stocked up. We were just frying some cheese curds.
I want my cheesy bread!
Then shut up! Keep your mouth shut, you get your cheesy
Having a
bread!
margarita. And come around the kitchen, we got this. It says, "Bitch, I am the secret ingredient." I got that at Patina Boutique I like. Hi, Gingy. Hi. My baby. This is our dining room. Still need to get new curtains. I don't like that Max hangs his hats there. So once you come out of the kitchen and dining room, we have this foyer. And yeah, this lifts up. You can put more shoes down there. Pretty cool. And then this glass door here. And then we're in the living room. There's Max and Gingy. We got it all set up. We got jelly cats everywhere. We got a fireplace. Ooh. How did I zoom out? Okay. That's our couch. That was like one of our first purchases. Sometimes Gingy will find little things to chew up on the floor, so we have her so she can't sneak away and do anything bad. This is my fun room. So this room now has actually changed a whole bunch since I filmed this. We've got all this stuff here now, which is sweet. I just went to Spirit Halloween now. Got some stuff. Work in progress. And then this is the spare bedroom here. In this spare bedroom, we have this gaming closet. So, yeah. This door used to be in the hallway there, but the air just doesn't circulate and the heat doesn't circulate as well if we have the doors closed. And then this is the bedroom. Oh, my jelly cats. Oh, there's the bed. More closets. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, evening, morning. See ya. Gonna be getting some more filler tattoos too, so next time you see me in the rock concert video, I might be a little more character upgraded.